All right, ladies and gentlemen, MrSotko here, bringing you some breaking news that happened with War on Rugs and Fairmoon. There was an exit scam. In fact, one of the most ironic exit scams, or rug pulls, if you will, I think in the history of cryptocurrency so far for me. This just says War on Rugs just pulled the rug on their own project. And this tweet says, "This didn't age well. How are people still trusting these crooks? War on Rugs backed project rugs once again," which shows a rapid decline in the price, as if somebody had sold a whole lot of it all at once. And we'll get a better view of that in a little bit here. It says, "Yep, it's official this time. War on Rugs have officially gone rogue, confirmed by Fairmoon coin themselves." And this shows the Fairmoon address, and it shows inside this, we'll take a look too, and it shows a whole bunch of Fairmoon being sold, essentially. And down here it says, "Shappy has gone rogue and rugged the Fairmoon project and Wrath," so essentially rug Ethereum, the War on Rugs project. And so I wasn't invested in any of these coins in any way, shape, or form. I wasn't on their Telegram. I didn't buy any or anything like this. However, I did show this project a couple of videos ago, and it wasn't meant as any kind of investment video in any way, shape, or form. It was merely to talk about the news and to show this project and how the backlash against Vitalik Buterin, with a small community, I suppose, over the Shiba Inu donation disaster, at least for some, a positive for others. So basically, Vitalik Buterin had sold off 1 billion Shiba to donate to India. Or he donated them, and they threw it on a bunch of exchanges or something and got rid of it, or what have you. But basically donated $1 billion worth of Shiba to an Indian charity, which absolutely decimated the price of Shiba Inu token and angered a lot of people. And one of those people was this hashtag War on Rugs. So they created this token that would effectively take Ethereum and sell it, thereby putting sell pressure on Ethereum and putting positive buy pressure on BNB, because it would sell it for BNB essentially. And there was a whole bunch of drama and news associated with that. So that's really the only reason why I was talking about this. And so here's here's War on Rugs, the Reth on BSC. And I can't really see anything happening with this. Mostly it was Fairmoon. So I don't really know. It just doesn't really show a price. It just says market cap 0, price 0. And since I wasn't invested in this in any way, I didn't know the price originally or what it is at now, and I can't really tell if there is a developer address within all of this mess or not, so I can't really talk too much about War on Rugs. However, this is the Fairmoon Twitter, and one of the tweets was here and here. This was just a retweet, but I'll show you these individual tweets here. "Shappy, ex-leader of War on Rugs, has betrayed Fairmoon and Wrath and scammed both the Fairmoon and War on Rugs communities. We have worked so hard to make a difference and cultivate a strong community, and he betrayed us." So this isn't to be confused with SafeMoon, but rather Fairmoon, some kind of knockoff, apparently. "We are deeply sorry for the losses we are all experiencing right now, and a lot of very particularly angry people." In fact, there's actually a lot of Safemooners in here, because apparently War on Rugs has rug pulled Fairmoon coin and Wrath. Scam advisory audit group responsible for fudding Safemoon has rugged its investors and deleted their Twitter account. Total loss of more than 750,000. So apparently this War on Rugs, Fairmoon, etc., these developers, or one of the developers, or Shappy, was fudding hard on SafeMoon. And you can see that there's just so many people. If you take a look at these tweets yourself, I'll put them down in the description below, of people for SafeMoon. Even here on the Reddit, you can see SafeMoon posts all over the place, and then a Reddit post of condolences. "Hey people, I'm not part of this sub or invested in Fairmoon, but I just heard what happened. Just wanted to share my condolences and drop a bro fist." And I think people even go into SafeMoon is taking over this Reddit now. "You are welcome to join us after your leader has betrayed you. SafeMoon welcomes all rug-pulled refugees with open arms." So it's basically just a ton of people now coming to shill SafeMoon. And I think it's because there must have been some kind of fudding going on between the two. But this is the Fairmoon address, and you can see here that, or this might have been the developers, and it's basically swapped an unbelievable amount of Fairmoon for about 1170 BNB. So somebody made out pretty good on all this, and you can see the Fairmoon price was climbing somewhat well. It's an interesting token because when you pull it back here, you see this, and I don't even know what to describe this as. I don't even know what this is exactly in the middle here. Maybe that's just some kind of error in that period on CoinGecko here, or maybe it was an unbelievable drop, but it's weird how it barely changes down here. So I'm actually not sure what that is. That's sort of a rare thing to see in a long-term chart, a 30-day chart. However, you can see that it was sort of climbing at this point and then just dumped like a rock, like a bad habit. And then it tried to recover, but so far just dead cat bouncing. So Fairmoon exit scammed, and I'm not sure of the extent of wrath of rug Ethereum because I didn't know the price beforehand. It doesn't appear to be listed on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, so I couldn't tell the price before and after, so like to get a fair estimate of how much was sold. And I have the address here, but it seems like nothing was moved for quite a while except for a few hours ago. But this seems a pretty typical amount considering there was like a quadrillion rug Ethereum in circulation, so these gigantic numbers are pretty usual for this coin. Same thing with like Shiba and stuff like that. It seems like lately a lot of coins that have been coming out, like these Fairmoon coins and rug Ethereum and all these different like fast rising market cap coins have something like a quadrillion coins in circulation. This seems to be a pretty popular thing lately. As it seemed like a few months ago, it was pretty popular to have a low circulating supply coin like Urine Finance, et cetera, White Heart, and various others. But so yeah, there is a exit scam, and I'm sure this will make bigger news eventually, and I'll be able to find some better articles of people who did a little bit more research than I, as I don't really go to their Telegram or anything like that. But when more comes out about this, I will add that to the news as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed the news today, even though it was this update is not so good. But as usual, I'll see you guys next time.